The Mantri has visited Delhi airport and taken stock of the roof collapse. Also formed a panel to probe the crash that killed one person. Opposition is training guns on the centre over the poor infrastructure at the Delhi airport. Congress fired salvo at the Modi government, citing neat leak in Ram Mandir roof leaking, claiming rampant corruption under Modi Sarkar. A BJP has hit back, saying that the roof that collapsed was built in 2009 under UPA Sarkar, claiming that at that point in time there was no quality check done. It was only yesterday when the canopy of the Jabalpur airport collapsed, crushing multiple cars. Amit continues, in fact, to be with us for more details. Amit, talk to us about the services hit. We'll go back to Amit in a moment from now. We have a series of reactions coming in. Let's take a listen.
So today morning at 5 o'clock, a very unfortunate incident happened at Terminal 1, Delhi Airport. And like you already know, a section of the canopy, which is outside of the airport extension of the airport building, has collapsed due to heavy rains that has been happening since the night. And we want to express our condolence to the life that has been lost in this tragic incident also. And along with that, 4 people have also been injured. So we are taking care of them right now. As soon as the incident happened, it has come to our notice and we have reacted immediately. We have immediately sent the emergency response team, the fire safety team, and also the CISF, NDRF teams. Everyone was available at the site and they have done thorough inspection so that no other casualties are there or no other injured are there which are stuck in the collapse.
बजाय अडानी को हमारे भारत के विभिन्न एयरपोर्ट को बेचकर सिविल एविएशन मंत्रालय और क्या कर रहा है, और जो भी इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर मोदी सरकार के दिन हो रहा है, कहीं ना कहीं क्रैक, मुंबई के हाईवे में क्रैक, एयरपोर्ट में क्रैक, ये बार बार प्रजा को ये प्रमाण मिल रहा है कि ये सरकार बड़े बड़े कॉन्ट्रैक्टर को मुनाफा देना चाहती है, लेकिन जो काम उनका होना चाहिए, सुपरविजन का काम, मॉनिटरिंग का काम, उस पर यह सरकार कुछ नहीं कर रही, सो रही है.
They should have to take care of these things because the monsoon, everybody predicts the monsoon, and I feel that GMR has to make sure that any such incidents may happen in this monsoon season due to the heavy rains coming in. So the precautions have to be taken and the government aviation minister has to respond immediately, and even such incidents may have a sequence of happening, so they should be careful now. So I request the aviation minister and the authorities to take proper measurements in the other airports and other infrastructure points also to make sure such incidents do not repeat.
ये बहुत दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण घटना है क्योंकि अभी हाल में एयरपोर्ट बने हैं, इनके उद्घाटन हुए हैं, और अगर पहली बारिश में हाल है तो इसका मतलब कि जो कंस्ट्रक्शन है, जो निर्माण कार्य है, बहुत घटिया दर्जे का है. इसलिए सरकार को तुरंत कार्रवाई करनी चाहिए, जो लोग इसमें इन्वॉल्व उनको सख्त दंड देना चाहिए और यात्रियों की सुरक्षा का प्रबंध करना चाहिए.
ये तो सरासर मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ सिविल एविएशन का फेलियर है. 3 आदमी का डेथ भी हो गया, बहुत दुखद घटना है. इस पर मिनिस्टर फॉर सिविल एविएशन को बयान देना चाहिए और क्या रेमेडियल स्टेप उन्होंने लिया, इसको उन्हें बताना चाहिए.
कि G20 प्रधानमंत्री ने कहा मंडपम बनाया, अब मंडपम बनाने के बावजूद भी पानी रुका हुआ है, तो इससे अंदाजा हो सकता है कि ये जो जितने ऑप्टिक्स के लिए काम किए जाते हैं ना, इसका नतीजा ही निकलता है. आपको बुनियादी काम करने की जरूरत है. पीने के पानी की किल्लत है, बारिश हो तो पानी आ जाता है, तो ये सब चीजें कब तक इस तरह से ड्रामाबाजी होगी.
वाटर लॉगिंग जहाँ पे हुआ है उसको ठीक करने के लिए हमारी सरकार काम कर रही है, और सुबह से ही हमारे सारे मंत्री और विधायक, एमसीडी की मेयर, सब लोग सक्रिय हैं. वो एक ऐसा स्थान है जहाँ हर बारिश में समस्या होती है. अब उसको जल्दी ही ठीक किया जाएगा, लगे हुए इस पर.
At around 5 a.m. this morning, when Delhi was witnessing heavy rainfall, T1, the Terminal 1 of IGI Airport, witnessed an accident, and this debris that you see behind me is the proof of as to what happened at that point in time. Unfortunately, 1 person has died because of this accident. 4 are injured. That's what we are being told. And right now, safety audit of Terminal 1 of the IGI airport is being done. The authorities have shut down the operation of the Terminal 1 airport. It has been completely evacuated in a way, you can say, and only tomorrow morning when the safety audit will be done again, only after that the operations could continue here. But what are the big takeaways? What led to this accident in which one person has died? So the big takeaways that we are understanding is that this structure, which came crashing down because of the heavy downpour of water, rainfall, was built in 2009. Now, as per the investigation in the probe, it will be figured out as to what led to the entire situation, whether the structure was weak, rusted, because of which this happened, or there were other reasons as well, such as lack of load bearing capacity. So Civil Aviation's Minister Ram Mohan Naidu, while speaking to India Today, said that let the technical probe get over, and after that we'll come down to the conclusions. Second point is that that compensation is being given, rupees 20 lakh compensation is being given to the person who died in this unfortunate accident. One accident at the Terminal 1 of IGI airport will now lead to a safety audit of all such structures at all major airports across the country. With video journalist Manish Bidhuri, this is Amit Bhardwaj reporting for India Today from Delhi.
Continues to be with us. Amit, talk to us a little about the operation suspended. How many flights have been affected as far as the Terminal 1 of the Delhi airport here is concerned?
Sneha, you know what happened after this accident? All the arrivals at Terminal 1 airport was being allowed, but the departures were immediately shut down because the entire structure had become very unreliable after this particular accident. So the authorities wanted to carry out a thorough check so that no further, fatalities or injuries happen at the Terminal 1 of the IGI airport. And till 2 p.m. it has been completely shut down. But when I spoke to Ram Mohan Naidu, he told me that till tomorrow the Terminal 1, Terminal 1 of the Delhi airport will not remain operational, and a proper safety audit will be done tomorrow to check the structure, and only after that clearance the operations will begin. So anything which was happening, all the departures from Terminal 1 till 2 p.m. have been suspended, and possibly the arrangements are being made to ensure that this traffic gets rerouted to Terminal 2 or Terminal 3, and from there the operations can be carried out. But till 2 p.m. today, the operations of Terminal 1 are suspended, and Terminal 1 in total, the departures, arrival, all that will resume only after the clearance from the safety audit that will be done tomorrow morning. Back to you.
All right, Amit, I'm going to thank you for the moment for getting us up to speed with those details. That report from the Delhi airport, where Terminal 1 saw a disaster early this morning because of the rains and certainly because of the poor infrastructure there.